If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Alright, this is also going to be on YouTube, so to those who want to say hey to YouTube, be sure to say hey to YouTube. Yo, we are live on Twitch. We're about to check out, is it called Xikers? Because it's called Tricky House Xikers, because xikers? Yeah, okay, fire. We're gonna start this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, I am live on Twitch checking out Xikers. I do some like actual reactions on Twitch if live for you guys without editing, because this live stream is probably gonna be edited when you see this. Anyways, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. What the f? Okay. Alright, let's check out Xikers Tricky House official MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Ooh, 4 minutes and 11 seconds. Let's get it. Begin. Is it AT's comeback coming soon? Oh, they came back with a Japanese song or track. If I'm not mistaken. Xikers. These are the little bros of AT's. A subway with graffiti and a man in a suit. We already know how this is gonna go. Oh, he's a troublemaker. Cause he has his legs up. And he listens to music and K-pop. What's poppin'? What you gotta do with the old man? You gonna give him the music? You gonna put on his ears? Oh shit. Yes, brainwash him! Ooh. Ooh! Hey! Off the bat, holy shit. Chat, you right. Wait a second. Oh, what an interesting concept. Hey! Hey! Welcome to his playground. Woo! Woo! Oh, his eyes were going crazy. Oh, he's blowing up. What just happened? A bunch of ghosts just come out of his. It's my type of Saturday night. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry. I do apologize for that. Woo! What the fuck? Let's go production. Wait, lick it, like it. Bro, I don't know how old they are, but I heard lick it, and I'm like, no, we not doing that. Oh, what the? We're playing like this? Ooh, you got a microphone. But it would be fire if the old man did the rap part too, you know how he's lip syncing it. Oh, they're just bringing the old man. Are they just ghosts? What is happening? This is what happens when you black out drunk, or you take a drug that you're not supposed to take. It goes like this and you wake up with a bunch of stuff. What in the freaking Poppy's playtime? Hey, he's enjoying himself. Nah, he must be high. Oh, this music video is kind of crazy. Woo! We like it like who? Like it. Ooh, super exciting. Woo! Playing like this. Ooh. The camera tricks and editing is fire. What is this? Is that them? Is that what are they? Are they sperm cells? What is happening? Spirits? A free car? Are we just jacking somebody's car? Oh, no, this is our car. Oh shit. We're going fast. What the fuck? What is happening? This is pretty epic. Hey! Wow, the quality. He's being possessed, and what are they? They're messing with the old man. Show's almost over. Hurry up. What? Hey yo, Cake, you got that money. I see you were Cake using that AT's tour money at. AT's be touring a lot though. What? That's fire. So xikers. Wow, exceeded my expectations. I don't know. What do you guys think? Put a comments down below what you guys think. Or tell me in the chat, to be very honest. What do you guys think? That was actually impressive to me. It still kept that that KQ Entertainment kind of color, if that makes sense. Like their vibe. The rest of the album is pretty good. And this is their debut. I'm gonna end my stream here. Guys, if you're watching this on YouTube, please join us on Twitch sometime if you can. Link in the description. And everybody here, I'm gonna end my stream. It's been a great day. We watched some Peak Time, and hopefully on Monday I watched 2 episodes of Peak Time. And hopefully this video, you'll see this on Sunday, which is my mom's birthday, is April 2. So happy birthday to my mom. Happy birthday. And yeah, this was fun. Alright, y'all. Till next time, everybody.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.